Hello, friends, and all the respected LIAFI leaders. Good day. We know we have conducted LIAFI Formation Day on 2nd October 2020. A Zoom meeting was held, and which is very successful meeting. The importance of the LIAFI Formation Day was explained by our Guru, B.N. Charigaru, and our another respected Guru, Sri Srinivasa Charigaru, and of course, the President, Singar Srinivas Garu and Shyamal Chakravarti ji. In continuation of that, 4th and 5th October 2020, All India EC meetings were held. The agenda of that 4th and 5th meeting are enhancement of group insurance, membership, primary membership of 365 rupees to be collected from all the LIAFI members and as well as the agents, and various issues and burning problems in the branches and of the agents to be discussed, to be raised in the upcoming ICC meeting at the central office on 14th October, and finally the LIC IPO. Many suggestions have come on all the topics, and particularly our respected Srinivas Charigaru has given the detailed explanation of initial public offer of LIC. What is going to happen in future? What will be the position of our agents? What may happen to the employees? And what will be our LIC position once it is listed in the stock exchange? Of course, another regulator, SEBI, may enter in the insurance sector, and there is a very possibility of their interference in Life Insurance Corporation of India as well as all other insurance sector. So, in connection with this, friends, we already discussed with the employees, officers, and development of officers associations, and in the with the result of that, on 10th of this month, that is tomorrow at 11 o'clock, a webinar is going to be held. We have to, and everybody has to attend and view this webinar, because we have to know what is meant by this IPO, what danger it's going to happen, and can we face it, and once we go into the market, how to answer the policyholders' questions. So all these are going to be explained by great leaders and analysts. Professor K. Nageshwar is an expert analyst in both political and financial, as well as he was also in a past MLC. He is going to give a good presentation of this IPO. Another professor of Osmania University, C.H. Krishna Reddy Garu, also going to address, along with the other union, Pratap Reddy Garu, our reverend, respected All India past president, chairman of All India Advisory Committee, Sri S.B. Srinivas Charigaru, also going to address this webinar. And this is presided over by associations of various LIC associations, and along with our President Singar Srinivas Garu. So friends, the government is having their own majority. They may pass the bill, but we have to struggle. we have to fight, we have to protest. Unless we ask, nothing is going to get it. So I request each and everybody to participate tomorrow's meeting, and you can view and you write, you can recommend all your views and explanations to the All India, so that the further action plan may be taken by our All India General Council or All India leadership. So I request everybody, please attend the meeting and make a success. Thank you.